Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can use Netflix. So this is a beginner's video for all you people who are new to Netflix. First, let me teach you how to download it. You can go in your App Store or Play Store and go on the search icon at the bottom and then just search for Netflix. Once you search for it, you can see Netflix. Click on Get. Then you want to click on Install. Once you do that, Netflix will start to install. Now once Netflix installation is complete, you can open the app. So let's wait for some time until it installs. And remember, the installation speed depends on your download speed, okay? Now once it's installed, just like this, as you guys can see, you will see open, click on it. And Netflix will open up just like this. Now to sign up into Netflix or to log in into your Netflix account, it's pretty simple as well. Once it opens up, what you can do is this. You can click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you want to enter your phone number or email, whichever thing you find easy. And then you need to enter the password of your account. Now once you enter your login detail, you will be able to log in into your Netflix account. Now, if you want to create yourself a new profile in Netflix, what you can do is click on add profile. And from over here, choose a name for your profile. And choose a profile picture for your profile by clicking on the pencil icon. Once the name and the profile has been chosen, click on save and a new profile will be added, or in another word, a new user will be added on Netflix. That's how you guys can add a new user on Netflix. And if you want to create a kids account, it's pretty simple. At the bottom, you can see the kids profile option. Just turn this on and click on save. And you will create yourself a new user ID which will have a kids profile, which means only kids content will be shown to you on Netflix. That is basically what kids profile does on Netflix. So that is how we guys can create profile. Now I already have created a profile, so I will click on my profile and I will log in into my profile. Now once you create yourself a profile and you log in into your profile, if you want to search for any show, let's say you want to watch a show called Airbender, you can click on search and just write AVATAR, Avatar. And as you guys can see, it's going to show you Avatar Airbender. You can click on it and you can click on play and you can start watching that series. So that's how we guys can search for content or any series on Netflix. And if you want to download any series, as you guys can see, right below the series, you can choose the episode. There's episode 1, 2, 3, 4. Whichever episode you want, right beside the episode, there's a download button. You can click on the download button and it'll start to download just like this. But I don't want to download it right now, so I will just click on it and click on cancel download just like this. So that's how we guys can download things on Netflix as well. And if you want to watch Netflix offline as well, it's pretty simple. You can download whichever series you want to watch. After the downloading is complete, you can close Netflix and you can go to any place where there's no Wi-Fi and just open Netflix up. Once you open Netflix up, whichever series you downloaded is going to appear in your screen and you can click on it and start watching it. And that's how we guys can watch Netflix offline if you want to do that. Now, if you want to change language on Netflix, it's pretty simple as well. What you want to do is go back on your Netflix. At the bottom, you will see the option called My Netflix. Click on it. Under My Netflix, at the top, you will see the 3-line. Click on it. Once you click on 3-line, you want to click on Manage Profile. And from here, choose the profile in which you want to change the language. I want to change my language in Kevin. So I will click on the pen icon right above Kevin. And from here, I will see the option called Display Language. I will click on it. And from here, you can choose whichever language you want. Once you choose that, your Netflix account's language will be changed. Now, if you want to change Netflix resolution, let's say you want to watch series or videos in higher resolution, it's pretty simple as well. What you want to do is come to the same place, My Netflix, by clicking on the bottom right corner and click on the 3-line at the top and click on App Settings. From inside App Setting, click on Video Quality, and from here you can choose higher. If you choose higher, then basically it's going to show you Netflix series in higher video quality. So that's how we guys can change the quality as well. Now, if you want to set a PIN code on your Netflix account, let's say you don't want anyone to access your Netflix account, like your Netflix profile, then you can do this. Click on the 3-line at the top right again. Click on over here, Manage Profile. Click on the pen icon in which profile you want to add PIN code. And from over here, scroll a bit down and choose Profile Lock. Once you choose Profile Lock, click on Create a Profile Lock. Over here, you can enter whichever PIN code you want. So the next time you want to enter your profile to watch series, you need to enter a PIN code. And without entering the PIN code, you won't be able to access your Netflix ID, okay? So that's how we guys can set PIN code on your profile as well. Now, if you want to remove subtitles from your Netflix, what you can do is this. So let's say I was watching the series and as you guys can see, there is subtitle appearing at the bottom. Now, what I can do is to remove that subtitle, I can click on audio and subtitles. From audio and subtitles, as you guys can see, there's this off option right above subtitles. I will click on off. If I do that, my subtitles will be turned off. So if you want to add subtitle, you can choose whichever subtitle you want from all these options to choose that as well. So that's how we guys can get or remove subtitle on Netflix as well. Now, if you want to delete your profile on Netflix, unfortunately, you cannot do it through your mobile phone. If you want to do that, you need to access Netflix through a PC, and through a PC only, you guys can delete it. Because in PC, you need to use Netflix through browser, and from browser only, you can delete profiles on Netflix, okay? Now, if you want to delete your entire Netflix account, then you can do it from your mobile. To do that, as I said, come to my profile at the bottom and click on the 3 line at the top. Then you want to click on account. Now once you come on account, make sure you scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you will see the option delete account. Click on delete account and your Netflix account deleting process will start, okay? So these are the steps you can follow if you want to delete your Netflix account. And to unsubscribe from a Netflix plan as well, it's pretty simple. You need to come to the same place over here where you want to delete your Netflix account, but instead of clicking on delete account, you want to click on cancel membership. Once you click on cancel membership, you will be unsubscribed from a Netflix plan. But remember, the money which you paid Netflix, you're not going to get it back. So you need to keep that in mind. That's how we guys can delete and unsubscribe Netflix plan. Now, if you want to change your password in the same account setting page, you need to click on password over here, which is going to be under membership and billing. And from here, you can change your password. Now, if you want to change your password, you cannot do it from Netflix app. You need to go to the browser version. So it's pretty simple. Now, let me go to browser and show you how to do it. Just go to any browser you want and search for Netflix login. Once you search for Netflix login, it'll show you this. Click on Netflix login. Now, if you don't have a Netflix account, instead of searching for Netflix login, you need to search for Netflix sign up. So I'm just gonna hold on it and click on open in new tab. As you guys can see, it has taken me to this login page. So over here, if you don't have an account, you can see the option called sign up. Now we can click on it and it'll take you to account creating page of Netflix. You can do that. I'm going to log in into my account so I can show you how you guys can change the password. Now, once you log in into your Netflix account, you can see the 3 line at the top left. Click on it. And from here, you can click on account. Now, once you're in the account section, you can see the option called security. Click on it. And from here, click on password. And inside password, first you need to enter your current password and then enter your new password over here and enter it again to confirm it and click on save. And your password will be saved. And that's how we guys can change your password on Netflix. So these are all the basic things you need to know to start using Netflix. I hope you understand this video. If you guys found our video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more beginner related videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.